Welcome to the channel. We are going to unbox X450 Aviator RC airplane by XK. The plane is 3D to 6G and 6G to 3D switchable, and it has three different flight modes: multi-rotor flight mode, airplane flight mode, and vertical flight mode. The plane comes with 2.4 GHz LCD Pro transmitter, 1000 mAh 3S LiPo battery and charger. The plane is equipped with gyro and altitude control function, and it can do vertical takeoff and landings as well as 360-degree flips. Wingspan of the plane is 450 millimeters. Length is 444.5 millimeters and height is 107 millimeters. The plane is ready to fly. It comes with transmitter, battery and charger. You can see some more specifications. Flying weight is 275 grams and it comes with three 2300 kV brushless motors, and the battery is 3S 1000 mAh LiPo. These are the package contents. So this is ready to fly RC airplane. You get the plane, 3S LiPo battery. It's 11.1 volt, 1000 mAh, 11.1 watt hour LiPo battery. And this LiPo battery charger, 3S LiPo charger. You simply plug this balancing cable into the port of balancing charger. X450 instruction manual. We need to install these two left and right vertical tails, and we have to screw to fix these tails to the plane. So this is a VTOL RC airplane. It can do vertical takeoff and landing. The plane has three powerful 1307 brushless motors. You can see two at the front and one at the rear. It has two high precision 5-gram digital servos to control these two left and right ailerons. There are two more 4.3 gram servos to change direction of these front propellers. Left, right. You can also fly the plane in FPV mode. You can put camera here, ESC with receiver. Let's have a look at the instruction manual. So the first page shows product introduction and features. The plane adopts delta wing layout, which provides less air resistance. Let's see some features. Vertical takeoff and landing with fixed height function, one button takeoff and landing, multi-rotor flight mode, easy to operate, suitable for indoor and outdoor flight. Packaging list, product parameters. So the product item is X450, material is EPO. Product description, vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. Product size 450 by 444.5 by 107. Flying weight is 275 grams. It uses 1307 2300 kilovolt brushless motors, 4.3 gram digital servo. Battery backup is around 12 minutes. You can see functions of different sticks and buttons on the controller or transmitter. This is the transmitter. Needs 6 AA batteries. Let's see what each stick and button on the transmitter does. The right one is direction joystick. This one is 3D to 6G or 6G to 3D conversion button. This is throttle. We have to long press this one for one key takeoff and landing function. Using this button, you can switch from mode 1 to mode 2 and mode 2 to mode 1. These four buttons are trims. Short press to take photo and long press to record videos. You can see three flight modes there. The top one is multi-rotor flight mode. Middle one is airplane flight mode. and the bottom one is vertical flight mode. This one is for mode 2 adjustment and this one is for mode 1 adjustment. You can see in the instruction manual how you can convert from mode 1 to mode 2 or mode 2 to mode 1. Install left and right vertical tail, rudder adjustment on the plane, binding, first flight command. In number 1 it's multi-rotor flight mode, in number 2 it's horizontal mode operation, and in number 3 it's vertical mode operation. Start your first flight. Aircraft low battery alarm, aircraft level calibration, circuit board schematic, and finally the troubleshooting. So if you want to know how to operate this RC aircraft, or if you face any problem, you can use this instruction manual. It has all the details you will need to fly this plane. I have fully charged this LiPo battery. We'll install these right and left tails, connect the battery, put in 6 AA batteries in the transmitter, and then take her to the skies. Let's see how she flies.
Nice one.